Hey guys, it's me for Redwall, and welcome to my quick look at the Aurora visual overhaul mod list.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Overhaul mod list. Alright, so I guess it starts with the original vanilla introduction. Now this is another visual overhaul mod list that is for the anniversary edition.
Hey, you. You're finally awake. You were...
Where are the subtitles? Settings. Adept. Ready? Display. General subtitles. Audio. Why are the storms always all the way up? Alright. Unless vanilla has them like that, or does it even have an option for storms? Alright, let's continue.
trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush. Same as us. And that thief over there.
Damn you Stormcloaks. Skyrim.
Actually, hold up. The sensitivity on the mouse. Let's see. Play. Where is it? What opacity, brightness? Gameplay. There, right?
It's fine until you came along. Empire was nice and
Alright,
lazy.
there we go.
If they hadn't been looking for you, I could have stolen that horse and been halfway to Hammerfell. You there, you and me, we shouldn't be here. It's these Stormcloaks the Empire wants.
We're all brothers and sisters in binds now, thief.
Shut up back there.
What's wrong with him, huh?
Watch your tongue. You're speaking to Ulfric Stormcloak, the true High King.
Ulfric? The Jarl of Windhelm? You're the leader of the rebellion. But if they captured you... Oh gods, where are they taking us?
I don't know where we're going,
And it blurs the
but
background,
Sovngarde awaits.
No, this can't be
man.
happening. This isn't
I
happening.
guess the focus when you're looking
Hey,
at the person in front of
What
you. it
village
blurs
are
the
you
background.
from, horse thief?
Why do you care?
A Nord's last thoughts should be of home.
Rorikstead. I'm from Rorikstead.
Waiting.
Good. Let's get this over with.
Sure. Mara, Debella, Kinnereth, Akatosh, Divines, please help me.
Look at him. General Tully is the military governor. And it looks like the Dalmor are with him. Damn elves.
That's if I can even
I bet
focus
they
on
had
him.
something to do with this.
We need to go inside, little cub.
Why? I want to watch
Was it always this jittery?
Yes, Mama.
Get these prisoners out of the carts. Move it!
Why are we stopping?
Like a shaky. It's like when I'm saying the camera shake. I guess that's vanilla then. And there's mods
Let's
that
go.
make
Shouldn't keep the
the
gods
camera
waiting
less shaky,
for
I
us.
guess.
No, wait, we're not rebels.
Face your death with some courage, thief.
You've got to tell
I'm
them
not
we worked
liking
with you.
the,
This
like
is
the
a
blur that
mistake.
it does.
Step towards the block when we call your name. One at a time.
Empire loves their damn lists.
Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm.
It has been an honor, Jarl Ulfric.
Ralof of Riverwood. Lokir of Rorikstead.
No, I'm not a rebel! You can't do this!
Halt!
You're not gonna kill me!
Archers!
Step forward. Who are you?
All right. Oh. The options. High elf, dark elf, Breton, Argonian. Oh. Right, I'm gonna go with this guy. I think this Modlist has race menu, but it's unticked by default, so I didn't activate it. I just left it how it was. So let's just skip everything. Call him Helgen. Although I don't know why the Modlist has race menu unticked. Like, I guess every game should have race menu, you know, to customize it as much as you want.
Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his
Oh,
throne.
I like how it looks. It looks nice.
You
Looks like the
started
Phoenix
this war,
flavor Modlist.
plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Man, he looks creepy.
Guards, get me down people to safety! Someone get the battle mages out here!
Oh,
Hey, Argonian!
darker than usual.
Come on, the gods won't give us another chance!
Alright, let's go.
This way!
What is that thing? Could the legends be true?
Legends don't burn down villages.
Aren't you good for anything? Give me a hand. Into the keep, soldier!
It's you and me, prisoner! Stay close!
Nothing kills me!
Bela, you damn traitor! Out of my way!
We're escaping, Hadvar. You're not stopping us this time.
Fine! I hope that dragon takes you all to Soundcloud!
Into the keep! With me, prisoner. Let's go!
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
There you go. Take a look around. There should be plenty of gear to choose from. I'm going to see if I can find something for these burns.
Alright.
See if one of these chests.
I like how the interiors look.
Be a sword.
Put a helmet on. Maybe dual wield.
Let's keep moving. That thing is still out there.
Alright, okay, so this Modlist doesn't have the, I guess, what is it, the directional movement? It's vanilla. I'm guessing the combat is also the vanilla. So it's pretty much a base mod that you can add other mods on top of.
Come on, this way.
Yo, his eyes. That's pretty cool. And creepy.
We need to get moving. That dragon is tearing up the whole keep.
Just give me a minute. I'm out of breath.
Hear that? Stormcloaks. Maybe we can reason with them.
What?
Die, rebel!
Although come to think of it,
Yeah, he's
here's some
really
odd
bloody
noises
already.
coming from over there.
Come with us. We need to get out of here.
You have no authority over me, boy.
Didn't you hear me? I said the keep is under attack.
Wait a second. Looks like there's something in this cage.
Don't bother with that. Lost the key ages ago. Poor fellow screamed for weeks.
See if you can get it open with some picks. We'll need everything we can.
Take out
Take
here.
all my things.
Alright, don't mind if I do.
Grab what you can and let's go.
Alright, go. Right behind you.
There's no way out that way.
Huh? Come on. What are you waiting for? Come on.
I'm glad to be out of that place. I hope
You
this
don't
leads
trust me?
somewhere.
5 hours later.
Completed Unbound. Started before the storm. Talk to Alvor in Riverwood. But would he even speak to me? Is the music turned on? Oh, yeah, okay. Right, let's go with Thiefstone. Very nice. Attack me most likely, right?
Ain't every day we get visitors in Riverwood.
Hadvar said he could help me out.
Hadvar? How do you know him?
He's a friend. He promised you could help. He helped me escape from prison. Let's go with the first option.
I'd be glad to help a friend of Hadvar. But you didn't answer my question. How do you know him?
I just said he's a friend. A dragon attacked Helgen and destroyed it. Hadvar and I escaped together.
What? A dragon? In Helgen? That explains what I saw earlier. Flying down the valley from the south. I was hoping I was wrong about what I thought it was.
Okay, this Modlist has a mod that lets you go into third person during dialogue. That is really nice. I might have to add that to one of my other mod lists that I'm using. Alright, let's go to Whiterun and let's just check out the landscape.
Five hours later.
These signs. That was quick. How much coin do I have? 53.
Are you feeling?
Battleborn, give me your money. I don't have any money. You better give me 5 septims right now or I'm gonna bloody your nose.
No, please! I really don't have any money, Brave. I'll give you 10 septims tomorrow. Just don't hit me.
10 septims tomorrow, baby Battleborn, or I'm gonna bloody your nose and your lip.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
It's so nice.
If the news from Helgen is true, well, there's no telling what it means.
What would you have me do then? Nothing?
My lord, please.
Nope.
This is
Skip
no
you.
time for rash action.
All this time.
I just think we need more information before we act.
Well, I trust you have something vitally important to tell me. Important enough to interrupt me in the middle of council?
Daddy, chill.
I serve Jarl Balgruuf as steward.
NANI?
Brother,
Found someone who can help you with your dragon
What's that?
project. Go ahead and fill him in with all the details.
So the Jarl thinks you can be of use to me. Oh yes, he must be referring to my research into the dragons.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Fresh from the wilds.
Go here. Jump up here.
Bruh.
Alright guys, that was my quick look into this Aurora visual overhaul mod list. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Take care.
Had enough of fish and fowl? Treat yourself and your kin to a choice cut of steak or a tender rack of ribs.